Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is one of my most favorite appliances in my kitchen. It's the Chefman TurboFry. This is an air fryer. It has 2 baskets, which makes it so convenient to cook your protein and your vegetables, or double protein, double vegetables, whatever you want to do. The food turns out so crispy and delicious. You really can't mess it up. I have overdone food and it's still delicious. It's a little bit extra crispy. It's never burned. I've never gotten a bad meal out of this. And what I love about this air fryer is that you can actually set these baskets to sync. So if you want them both to be 350 for 10 minutes, or you can have them finish at the same time. So if one finishes 5 minutes early, the basket on the other side will continue to stay warm, and that way your food is all nice and hot when you want to eat it. I also love that it has pre-programmed buttons here at the top for fries, pizza, things that you can quickly just press. And it's very easy to use this machine. As you can see, I can use one basket or the other with a touch of a button. It's very user-friendly. It's really easy to also clean up. These baskets have inserts in them that come off, and you can easily soap and water. It has a coating on it, so it's non-stick. I cannot recommend this air fryer enough. If you're in the market, you're looking for one, 2 thumbs up. But that's just my point of view.